Hey guys, welcome back to the LithShop. Yes, the thumbnail is real. We're gonna pick up a new project car, and I know we need to finish some projects first, but we're gonna pick up a new one, and it's a real cool one. It's a real rare one. It's one of 22 in the whole world, so it's really rare, and we're gonna pick it up today, and that's gonna be the new project for the upcoming videos. So stay tuned. I'm gonna pick up the trailer now, and then we're gonna pick up the new project car.
Memory, making history. Let's go. You don't need no luck with that golden touch. Time to light it up. Let's go. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Get ready for it.
I picked up the trailer. Now it's time to pick up the new project car.
Yeah, no, another project car. When you're gonna finish one? Why are you always picking up project cars and never finish one? Shut up, we're picking up another one.
Let's go. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Yeah, this is it. Go! 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 Yeah, this is it. Go! Let's go! Yeah, this is it.
So the barn find in question is actually a barn find because we found it in your barn.
No,
but
well, I put it in my barn.
Yeah, but it's Job's Skyline, the R33 4-door, and we're bringing it to my place to fix the rust. And we actually also need to build your engine,
Yeah, I put it in.
make the wiring loom, actually do everything in 2 months to take it to Croatia. It's probably not gonna happen, and if it doesn't happen, we could take the McDonald's mobile.
Don't diss my McDonald's
Well,
compact like
he's
that.
got yellow seats and it's red, so it's McDonald's. But yeah, this is the barn find in question. I didn't lie, the thumbnail is real because we found it in a barn, and it does look the part.
Yeah.
It does look like a barn find. There's bird poop all over it, it's got rust and no engine, so barn find it is. And we're taking it home today. Well, actually right now.
Yeah.
So let's load it up.
I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready to go. I've waited all my life, but I ain't got time to blow. No, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready to go. So cut me loose, sit back, enjoy the show. I'm ready to go. Yeah. Ready for the taking over. Green light go like a holy roller. Brush that dust right off my shoulder. Cause I've been getting all my reps in. Paid my dues and the pressure.
That's actually quite heavy, but I didn't expect us to push it up like that.
Yeah. Oh, that color in the sun, man.
It does look really good. Time to save it.
Yes. It's crying out for it.
I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready to go. I've waited all my life, but I ain't got time to blow. No.
And as always, thank you to CBS for borrowing the trailer. Always nice.
Cut me loose, sit back, enjoy the show. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Yeah, ready like a new Ferrari. Just tuned up, fresh out the lottie. Summertime, Chi-Town, here to party. Cause I can only be so patient. Is this God's plan? I'm tired of waiting. And here's my moment, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it, alright. What I got is all I need. Show me the locks, cause I got the key. Oh, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready.
The Skyline made it safely to the LithShop. Now it's time to move all this junk inside so we can make room to get that piece of junk inside.
I'm ready, I'm ready to go. So cut me loose, sit back, enjoy the show. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. is all I need. Show me the lights, cause I got the keys. Oh, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready to go. I've waited all my life, but I ain't got time to blow. No, I'm ready, I'm ready.
So the idea is we're gonna push that one all the way to the front, then I can drive the S13 out, we can put it next to it, then we can take some cool pictures. If we don't forget it, we probably will. And then we can put the Skyline on the lift, put it up in the air, park the S13 under it, and then we don't lose any room. And if we need to work on it, I can just drive this out if it starts. But lately it starts way better, so I don't think that's gonna be a problem. You know you got a steering wheel, right?
Yeah, this is easier.
Is it?
Yeah, it is.
Damn, that thing looks really bad. But we're gonna fix it, so it's okay.
Nothing beats 90s JDM shitboxes. Nothing beats the 90s Nissan shitboxes. Can you spot the differences? White, white, so that's not a difference. But exhaust, no exhaust. Interior, no interior. Somewhere in there is an engine. That one doesn't have one.
Well, you can hear the engine pretty good.
Yeah,
I'm sure it's there.
it's somewhere in here. Look at it being all cute in the corner.
No, not the Beamer. Shitbox. Well, it is shitbox. It's JDM shitbox edition.
My BMW has been tuned, inspired by JDM shitboxes.
Yes, that's true. Well, let's push this shitbox in, and then we can put that shitbox back in as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Nou zit die struiken voor.
You can use the steering wheel. Yeah. I'm gonna make it like that. No. Wrong way. Yeah, I'll do all the work. Sure. It wouldn't be a Skyline if it wasn't in the sky. Whee!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get.
Some nice shots for TikTok.
Alright, that bang was a little louder than expected, and I didn't even expect the bang. That was really loud.
Our car bangs out of nowhere.
Amber came to ask what that bang was because she got jumped by it, and even my dad heard it and thought there was an accident outside on the road. Sorry, okay? But Skyline is on the lift, it's in the air, and we're gonna start on that soon because that's a project. Yeah, I picked up another project, but this one we're really gonna work on. And while one of us is working on the Skyline, the other one is working on the Saab, so that is gonna get some progress as well because that needs to be done as well. And my Nissan is just chilling over there because then it doesn't sit outside.
And we've got 2 months to finish this.
And we got 2 months to finish it, so we got another deadline. I'm not gonna say anything about that. No, that's.
It's gonna be a lot of work, and we're not gonna make it.
No, enough said. But we're gonna make it anyway.
Yeah.
So this is gonna be the video. This is gonna be the end. We picked up Job Skyline, and next video.
Also,
What?
the vacation.
Yeah, the plan is that we're going to Croatia, and that's 1400 kilometer drive.
Yeah.
Something like that.
There and
so
then
that's
1400 back.
That's about 16 to 18 hours drive.
And if we want to go to the Plitvice Lakes, which is very beautiful, that's another 250 kilometers.
Yeah, so the plan is we're going to Croatia with these two cars, and mine is somewhat done. I just need to do some small stuff, and I hope that I can fix the air conditioning because that would be great. But I don't think I'm gonna do that because I need to put a lot of time in the Skyline to make that ready to go.
Don't say.
Yeah,
it's almost done.
it's about the same as my S13 was when I went to France. And less rust, and I did that in a month and a half, so should be doable.
We've got basically everything ordered and coming in or already laying around for it, so
Yeah, should be doable.
yeah.
I hope we're gonna make it, but
Me too.
this is gonna be it.
Otherwise, we'll have a vlog with the Lexus and the BMW.
Yeah, otherwise it's gonna be the Lexus and the BMW, which isn't bad either.
But this is cooler.
We're gonna be way more comfortable than the Lexus and the Beamer.
I don't care.
Me
It's
too.
it's just, you know.
Will be fun if we can take these two, because if the Skyline doesn't make it, I'm definitely not gonna bring the S13, then I'm gonna bring the Lexus, because I just don't see the point in bringing that car and breaking my back and sweating my balls off.
Well, in the BMW, I'm gonna sweat my balls off anyway, so.
Yeah, but that's not my problem.
No, that's true.
This is gonna be it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe down below. Stay tuned for the next video on the Skyline, and we'll see you guys at that one.